Hey, what's up? Keaton After Dark, Twisted Auto Detail here. So, this detail is talking about the ceramic coating, the processes, the steps, everything you need and that you should do, from my point of view. If you don't want to listen, perfectly fine. This is more for the actual auto detailers. Now, if you're a car enthusiast, this will help out tremendously. And if you're just a person that's looking to do it yourself or as well pay for it, at least you can understand why it's going to cost a certain amount and what not to be fooled by if their prices seem too good to be true. Because usually, 10 times out of 10, it's way too good. Um, yeah, with ceramic coating, you're dealing with a lot. And I tell a lot of people, you have to understand prep. Failing to do the 99%, you have just literally wasted your time, failed on the ceramic coating, and you're at a loss. Whether that be buffing, cleaning off the corners, drying off any part of the car that has water running down it into the clear coat before it can actually uh, cure, you're setting yourself up for failure. So I always start off with an alkaline soap bath. So foam cannon that on. I leave it on there for about 2 to 3 minutes. I agitate around all the lettering and emblems. And then I do a wash mitt for the top and all sides. And then after letting that sit, I then strip it by pressure washing it off. Right after that, I follow up with an iron decon. Make sure coated all under the window to ensure, well, one, that the coat's actually being used correctly. Two, that's the only way to make sure the clear is cleaner rather than a problem. And decon, uh, tar and asphalt remover is the next one I use. And I pressure wash in between all these steps. But tar and adhesive remover is perfect for those hard to uh, get out of the rubber, or it just cleans it up pretty much. Anything that you got left behind from the washing and the iron remover, this will get it. So there's that. And then working with a neutral pH balance window cleaner is vital. You don't neutralize any of the soaps, gross stuff in it, call it a day. Just don't even do it. Final. And then last and final, the granddaddy, the ceramic coating application. So I use FinLab. They suggest 15 to 20 minutes per panel. So I'll do roughly about 2 panels, maybe three if they're small enough, um, to ensure those phone that those things are available. So you gotta make sure you have your clay bar. You gotta make sure you got your rag. That's most important because when you're putting down um ceramic coating and you don't got enough rags, you are in trouble. You've just caused a situation that isn't helping you, and it could end up damaging the car. So always make sure you got a good, I say 10 rags, as far as like drying or not drying respectfully, but that you have enough rags to buff off ceramic coating. So, I mean, let's get into it. So let's see. And what was that one called? McGuire's pH, pH neutral. Yeah. So just concentrated fiber wash. Yep. So here's the first one. That's a 2.5 gallon. With my mixture, I turn that to 2, 4, 6. 700 and one become. This was way off. Uh, 10 gallons. So it'd be one part of that, 4 parts water, and I'm off to the races, stuff like that. Then, and a decon iron remover is actually fairly simple. Let's see. Not decal. Oh man, decal remover. Or I guess the real word is just iron remover. That's actually what it's gonna. Yeah. So a really good one I like is Adams. Obviously quite expensive. I don't know much about the nanoskin one, and I've used not that one either, or spread out. Yeah, these will all these will work. I've already used the iron remover by Adams, so being able to go that direction, I would suggest. Obviously, if you pick your poison, you'll be good. And then tar and asphalt remover. This is a tough one. So I buy my is by Citrus King. Citrus King. Stuff's like 130 a gallon. Guess they're not on here. What was I gonna look? Oh, that's what it's called. Citrus King. Citrus. Citrus D. Okay. So, car and asphalt remover by Citrus King. I get this one. Company's great. Stuff is fire. You can use it for putting out fires. Um, and I spray that over the car as well after the. I say I leave this on for about a minute or two, no more than 3. Anytime after 3, it's gonna start burning and it's gonna just damage your paint, and it's live with that. So there's that. And then you go on to then neutral pH wash. What is it? I think it's McGuire's. They make a pretty good one. Car soap. Car soap. Hyper wash. That's what it is. Yes, that stuff is amazing. It has a very high foam consistency, and so it neutralizes a lot of the chemicals on or in or around your car that are hard. And then from there, play bar it off, and then you just start over. Then from there, clay bar it was wet. Then once clay's done, tape off and seal. Make sure. Then from there, tape and seal is you just put your ceramic coating down. So each provider is different. There's some I've used that are 10 minutes. Others I use that are 5. This is my longest standing video that hopefully is way easier to digest and helps you in your longevity of your life. So that'll do. Otherwise, thanks for staying on, coming on, saying something, doing something. Peace. This is Twisted Auto Detail out.